Hey guys, my name is Vishal and sometime back I posted a video about this product Snappy Lines on my YouTube channel and a lot of you absolutely loved that video. Well, there is some good news for you. Helium has finally decided to make a new shade for this product and this new shade is platinum. So today I am here to show you what this new shade is all about. So guys, applying the product is as easy as it looks. All you have to do is dip your brush into the product and directly start applying, and you don't really have to wait because it almost dries instantly. However, if you prefer faster drying, then you can use a blow dryer, but it's completely optional. I won't be using a blow dryer personally. I let it dry naturally, and after that I'll be sharing a few pictures of the results that I got with this product.